Mothers in Kent County, Michigan are held to a standard of perfection in the family court system, while abusive fathers can seem to do no wrong. A couple years ago, I was in Judge Patricia Gardner's courtroom, and there was a case where the father had custody. He was screaming at the daughter and kicked her. So the child ran away and called her mother, and her mother filed an ex parte order. Judge Gardner looked at that mother and said, "Take that child back to the fathers." 2 weeks later, I was back in a court again in front of Judge Gardner. Almost the exact same case, except the mother had took the child back to the father. Judge Gardner looked at that mother and said, "Why would you take that child back to an abusive home?" My mouth about hit the floor. These men are throwing people downstairs, they're punching in the doors to cars, they're breaking windows, they're stealing cars, and you know what? Nothing seems to happen. According to the guardian ad litem, they're great and wonderful fathers, and they approve them for custody. Mothers in Kent County are also trying to protect their children who've been abused by their fathers, and they're asking for supervised visitation. The guardian ad litems are looking at these mothers and telling them that they are projecting their own issues of abuse, of sexual abuse from their childhood onto their daughter. I always tell mothers in Kent County, it doesn't matter what you do, it's going to be wrong. So do what it is you feel is in the best interest of you and your children.